Hey guys, so if there's one thing that I hate the most, it's mowing the lawn. I was supposed to do it yesterday, but it rained, and you know, there's some one or two excuses in between. So yeah, so today is gonna be the day that I'm gonna mow the lawn. It's not that bad, kind of like overcast, so it's good, but I need the proper gear and proper outfit too, so I think I got everything I need, and I got all the equipment, tools and everything like that. All I need to change, I got my sweaters on, I got my shorts, and my flip-flops is not gonna work, so we gotta change that real quick. Yeah, this should be good right now. I got my shirt, I got my pants, I got my boots, and safety first, I got my gloves. So let's see if we could squeeze a bit of B-roll in here. Just got done mowing the lawn and cleaning the backyard, so it looks kind of good. Now it's time to show you guys my favorite smoothie. Alright, so I'll see you guys inside. Alright, now we're back inside the house, and the sun started to come out. Guys, look at the garbage truck, how they take out the trash here. Boom, pretty sweet, right? No, not ice cream. On a cheat day you can, but not for the cheat day. So for this episode, I'm gonna show you guys my post-workout drink, one of my favorite smoothie recipes out there, and hopefully you guys love it too. Speaking of, you guys remember those souvenirs? Because of the Air Force, I get to see these places. Link the video somewhere over here so that you guys can check it out. That's some good smoothie right there. So that's pretty much the video for this week, guys, and let me know what's your favorite smoothie. Comment down below. Still wondering on what to do with this channel. I kind of want to like have healthy tips with like traveling / vlogs. What you guys think? Should I do more of the cinematography side or healthy tips? So I would like to hear you guys' opinion about it. I'll link in the description below all the ingredients I've used so that you guys could make it on your own. Yeah, try it for yourself and see. And who knows, you know, this could be your next favorite smoothie out there. I think I talk with my hands a lot. I don't know, I'm just used to it. So if you guys been noticing, yeah, I gotta stop that. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys in the next vlog.